So I just finished my collagen spa. My face is glowing. And then I'm going to sleep early today because I've been sleeping late. So yeah, good night. Oh, I think my nose bridge also look higher. Toi toi, collagen spa. Okay, so I'm gonna teach you guys how to do collagen spa. So this is an empty bottle. You can use any saucer out there. So first one is microdermabrasion. So squeeze out an amount of light. Can you go put a little bit more? Pore minimizer, 2 pumps. Lumi V, 2 pumps. Serum C, 2 pumps. And you stir it up. So now we're going to put this, what we call collagen mask, onto the face. Okay, and leave it on for 10 minutes. Don't need to scrub, okay? Just leave it on. So this is the collagen mask. Leave it on for 10 minutes. These are the 3 things. If you have an ion massager, you can shine it over your spa. This is to stimulate the cells to energize and also to let the product absorb better. Don't have to go near it, don't stare at the light, just shine. Okay, 10 minutes is up, so I'm gonna wash off and come back. I just finished washing off the whole entire mask. It feels so soft. It's softer than just taking the microdermabrasion and scrub my face, which I do once a week. But this collagen spa, which is like a treatment, I do once a week as well. So it's really soft right now, and I really enjoy my skin. Oh my god! So now I'm going to put my toner, and then I'm gonna put the serum. Okay, so if you have pimples and all that, you can do the mask, but you cannot scrub too much. Okay, you can just only lightly go circular. Oh my god, you're so soft. Oh, it's so soft right now. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm gonna put my softener. This is softener on promotion this month. Oh my god, it's so soft. Oh. Yep. So I will put back the serum. Just give me a second. Pore minimizer, also 2 pumps. Okay, and last but not least is my moisturizer. So depending on your skin type, you can use the intense moisture cream or the oil free hydrating gel. So in this, for me, I'm going to use intense moisture cream. And rub it in between your hands. It becomes water. Yeah. Apply to your face. Make sure you do your pore minimizer and moisturizer after this collagen spa, yeah? Okay, done. Check out my skin. It's so smooth. Okay. Try it. You will love it. Just like me. I really love it so much. So I just finished my collagen spa. My face is glowing. Oh, I think my nose bridge also look higher. Toi toi, collagen spa.